All right, we are here at Menards on Manchester Road. And normally I wouldn't do a retake of this elevator, but I just want to point out this. I've seen some crazy stuff with buttons, but this has to be a new one for me. They straight up just took the DMG base, and that's your button. Like, there's the button right there. And it works. And you can even see down inside the button there, there's the connector. That is so bad. We'll go ahead and take a ride on this thing. Let's go down to 1. There are 1. Back up to 2. That is just, I've seen a lot of like sketchy stuff, but that's kind of a new one for me. All right, well, that's it.